Hi, we have Sabyasachi from ePeople representing Salesforce.com here. This is Satish here, and today is 23rd of April 2011. We are doing a small demo of how Salesforce.com works and how it could be useful for our Salesforce spread between various cities. So he's just showing us a demo, and we're looking at it in the perspective of a very transactional B2C kind of activity, starting from tracking marketing campaigns to customer after sales service. Sabyasachi is here. Please go ahead, and it would be great if you could just continue talking so that we'll be able to.
Okay.
Only one small thing, it will slightly drag because it's getting recorded, so it's slightly drag. Yeah.
No problem.
So you go to login.salesforce.com. Okay.
Yeah, this is the login page. Now here you have to give the
User
ID and password.
And if I understand it correctly, this Salesforce.com also has a 30-day trial period for people, right?
Right.
There is also for companies there is a 30-day free trial available.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as an organization, total 5 guys can log on to that trial period and they can use it.
I see. Okay. And it's for a 30-day period.
For 30-day period.
I see. Okay. And they can make use of the full functionalities of Salesforce.com.
Right.
It's called Genesis. GEN. Can you just say Control Z? Control Z. So this is not your home page, no?
No.
So what is the home page? Home page comes to. Okay. Let's understand this. So you have a dashboard, and you said the dashboard can be customized across for various companies.
Right.
Okay.
And dashboard can be customized as per the role of the user. So if I'm a sales executive, my dashboard would be different, and if I'm a senior executive, my dashboard will be different.
Okay, excellent.
Now these are my tasks. This is my today plus overdue task. If I click here, it will be like what are my tasks for tomorrow, next 7 days, and all these will come.
But all these needs to be entered.
Yeah, definitely. So for any lead you are following up, what you do, there is a follow-up task.
Correct.
So you have to enter the follow-up task, and the moment you enter with a date when you're supposed to follow up, it will come here.
Okay.
Right.
Understood.
Now this is your calendar. You can see it here.
Okay.
Similarly, you can see the calendar for your team.
Okay.
So enter a team calendar.
So all the people right under me, which means that let's say there are 3 teams. The manager of team A can see the tasks only of his team. He would not be able to see it for the other.
Right. It means that kind of security is definitely there.
Okay. Fine.
So I'll again come back to now I'll come back to the campaign part.
Okay.
Right. Campaign is something like you do anything for your demand generation.
Okay.
So this is your email campaigns. Let's say you have done. So this is the campaign type, like email, right? Email blast is the description. What was the start date? What was the end date? Now here you can see what is the total cost for this particular campaign, what was the budgeted cost, and what is the expected revenue. Right. Now up to this you are entering information. Rest whatever information you can see here, it is all coming from the system. You can see it is lock symbol. That means you cannot edit this. You cannot enter data here. It's all field locked. Right. How many? So you can see from this campaign how many response you have generated, total number of leads. So when the person is
understood. So when actually a lead comes in, when a customer calls back or whatever, when that needs to be entered, that will have to be entered along with that. It has to be logged in along with the campaign part.
Right.
Campaign number 1, campaign number 2, whatever it is.
Yeah. So the moment you are entering on lead, there is a field called source of the lead. So you have to say that source of the lead is the email. Right. Now if you get lead from your website, so automatically it will be web to lead kind of thing, and website is the source of the lead.
I have one question, Sabyasachi. In fact, this is a more philosophical question. The question is this: at the end of the day, this is something in the cloud.
Right.
Okay, and this is basically for your Salesforce, for your various kinds of people to view it.
Right.
Okay. You've been in Salesforce. You've been with this company for quite some time.
Right.
You understand the product very well?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Do you also understand something called Excel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please tell me if I'm wrong. If I assume that look, at the end of the day, it is nothing but a huge gigantic Excel file with filters, with sorts, with X and Y and Z, with all those things, and that Excel file which is there in the cloud.
Right.
Supposing it is nothing but a huge
Excel file in the
Excel
cloud.
file in the cloud.
Okay.
I'm giving a very simplistic and philosophical kind of a
Right.
analogy.
Right.
Am I right in that analogy?
No, absolutely not.
I see.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Why so?
Mhm.
Because in Excel file,
Mm.
as a salesperson, I
Mm.
tend to forget what is my task for today. Let's say I called Mr. Satish,
Mm.
ki sir, I want to meet you. You said ki Sabir, call me Saturday evening at 6 o'clock.
I understand.
I can put a task, I can get a reminder
Understand.
pop up, I can get a reminder email on my mailbox.
I understand. But
Right.
no, which is
But if I'm using a Excel sheet,
Mm.
I'll then get and for that what I'll do, I'll miss my follow-ups, and somebody may follow up
Fine,
with
what,
you.
what,
and
what you're saying is fine, but
Right.
have you heard of macros?
macros.
Have you heard of scripts? Have you heard of JavaScript?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, it's fine.
So,
fine.
okay.
I'm just saying. Okay, ठीक है.
It's can be done, right? Okay.
Go ahead. And
Now-
so therefore you get campaign member.
Right. You can leads you have generated through this campaign,
Mm.
right? Now, out of this lead, what is the status? These are the opportunities you have generated out of those leads. First,
Okay.
it is a lead.
First it becomes a lead. Then it becomes an opportunity. Okay.
And what is the stage of the opportunity? You have already closed this opportunity. You own this opportunity. This is in prospecting stage. This is the value of the opportunity.
Okay, so what are the stages as defined by Salesforce in a sales call?
Right.
One is you have a lead.
Right.
After that, it becomes slightly hot and becomes an opportunity.
So now, just after this campaign page, I will come to the lead
Okay,
page,
okay, sure,
right?
sure, okay.
But now, for this campaign page, what I will tell you, you are, let's say, investing money on Google AdWords.
Mhm.
You are investing money on Just Dial. You are
Mhm.
investing on email campaign for
Okay.
event, seminar, and at the end of the year, probably you are very interested to understand from which campaign or from which source I have got the maximum ROI,
Okay.
so that you
Understood.
can invest more.
More on
Right?
that particular thing,
Now,
correct.
if you look at this particular thing, it
Mm.
will tell you what is the value of opportunities you have owned, what is
Understood.
the ROI of the campaign,
Understood.
right?
Understood.
Based on that, you can plan your
Mhm.
marketing investment
accordingly.
right?
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'll come to the lead page.
Does it let you send emails from Salesforce.com?
Yeah,
itself?
yeah.
It does.
Yeah.
What is it? How many emails can I send per day?
Per day 500.
Per day 500 per user.
Per
Hmm.
organization. And if you have
That's
it's
very
very low,
yeah.
very
low. Yeah.
Uh-huh. And now for we have another edition.
Do you have a Google account? A Gmail account?
Yeah.
A Gmail account lets you send 500 per day.
Yeah.
Mm.
But here I will show you that email part also.
Mm-hmm.
I'll come to the lead page.
Mm.
Now, if you send email from this thing, this Salesforce, the benefit you get, how many times, let's say you have sent 500 mails. Out of 500,
Just tell me this. Why is this all Gmail?
yeah, because it's very well integrated with Gmail and G apps. So if you
Really?
yeah,
Salesforce integrated with Google Apps.
yeah, complete Google apps is very well integrated with.
Supposing we already have, as an organization, we already have Google Apps.
Okay.
So it
integrates. It's by default integrated.
Integrates.
Yeah.
I see.
And Google is one of our customer across the globe. They are using Salesforce
I
to
see.
track their sales activities.
I see.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Now this is your lead page, number of leads you are having. Now let's say you want to create one new lead.
Okay.
So you will click on new,
Mm-hmm.
right, and it will. This is the new lead. So you can see
Understood.
what is the. Now let's say I'll tell you one thing.
The red ones are the ones which have to be compulsorily entered.
Right.
Okay, understood.
But now the instance I'm showing you, it is more of B2B kind of scenario.
No problem,
right?
doesn't matter, doesn't
but
matter.
Same thing can be converted to B2C.
Okay, sure.
So what is the name of the lead, contact person, what is the company name, what is his title, phone number, what is the lead source, right? It's cold call, it's Google AdWords, it's purchased, email, web direct, web to lead, right?
What about we had that campaign number 1, campaign number 2?
Yeah.
And we can
You
add,
can
add
enter
the rows. Okay.
whatever you want.
It's customized. It's customizable.
You can customize, right?
Mhm.
What is now? Let's say Sabrishaji is a lead for you, right? Now this is a lead on open. Status is open.
Okay.
Right. Now let's say I have entered all these thing. I'll come to once you entered the data, how it looks like. Let's say Karan Gupta Dream Technologies.
Sure.
the moment you enter the data,
Mm-hmm.
it is like
Mm.
sorry, it is like what is the name of the person, what is his title, phone number, what is the product interest. So you have so many products, what is the last date of activity, who is the owner for this particular lead, right, which sales guy, lead status. Now you
Lead quality also I can put in. Okay.
yeah,
Status
lead
open.
quality will come automatically. It's a log page based on certain criteria, it will come.
Oh, I see.
Right. So
Okay,
criteria
okay.
you have to define,
I
and then
see.
I'll show you that criteria.
Sure.
Now let's say Sabyasachi is a lead for you. You don't know कि either he is good, means he is a good investor or not. Now it's open. Now after that you had a meeting or phone call, and Sabyasachi said कि yeah, I have money to invest. I want to invest. I want to save my tax. And then you qualify that lead. The moment you qualify, you will put qualify and convert, right? Let's say you are not sure, like it's a qualified lead, you can put it as working.
Understood.
Right.
Understood.
And let's say you said ki no, Sabyasachi doesn't have money, you can archive or disqualify the lead. So
you can also archive it. You can also disqualify. You can also throw it
same
out the
actually,
window.
but you can have the complete database of unqualified leads, so that tomorrow you want to send a
I understand.
SMS,
I understand. You can do
you
that.
can send it from here.
Okay, one question here.
Yeah.
What is the upper limit?
Mm-hmm.
Because before you came in, we are working on our databases,
Okay.
and we have a huge customer database
Right.
with us. In fact, it goes as high as 30 lakhs,
Okay.
and it's B2C, right? Total
Right.
B2C
Right.
kind of
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Would we be able to? And I've got it in the form of Excel sheets.
Okay.
Okay. What I want to do is, I want to use that 30 lakh database, which is an Excel sheet. The Excel sheet will, every row
Right.
is a record.
Right.
Okay. The first column would be name of the customer, second column would be designation, third column would be name of company, fourth would be mobile number, fifth would be email ID,
Right.
something like that.
Right.
Some 15-20 columns are there.
Right.
Okay. When I start using Salesforce.com, assuming that I buy this
Right.
product, and would I be able to export it?
Absolutely.
Export
absolutely.
it automatically,
Automatically,
into
yeah.
as an archived or a unqualified whatever lead into
Yeah.
this thing.
Yeah. Definitely.
I can do that.
Yeah,
I
you
can
can.
export it bulk.
Right.
I
You can export it bulk. Right.
into
right.
use an Excel. I can export bulk
Yeah,
into
yeah,
Salesforce.
Right. Right. Right.
Okay,
That
okay.
option definitely is there.
Is there? Okay.
Right.
And you don't have a limit of 50,000 Ds data or 1 lakh data.
No,
or
Dell as an organization, they have 85,000 users. So today, if you are making a phone call to Dell for purchasing a laptop or post sales support, everything they track in Salesforce across the globe. So you understood that 85,000 users. How many customers across the globe they are managing?
No, that is Dell. Dell would have taken a special account out. I'm saying as
No,
a
no.
as a normal corporate account,
Right.
will I be in a position to input my 20 lakh database there?
Absolutely.
No problem. You don't have
No.
upper limit. इतना ही data होना चाहिए.
No problem at all.
I see.
And
Are you sure about this?
200%.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. Now I'll tell you one small thing. This is based on multi-tenancy architecture. So what is multi-tenancy? One single application is being used by 95,000 customers.
Correct.
It is not key for a small company,
I
right?
understand.
So the company
One
they-
instance of the application is there in the cloud. For example, Sangeeta, one instance of a Kaspersky Internet 2011 is there in G:, and that is what is used from this computer, from this computer, from this computer, and that computer. That's what he's trying
Right,
to say.
right.
No, go ahead.
Now, if you put your address properly here, it is very well integrated with Google Maps. It
Understood.
will,
Understood.
right.
It will show exact address.
Right.
Fine. Fair enough.
Now, this is the
So there is an API which connects between
Right.
the two. Fine.
now this is your lead scoring criteria. Either whom you I'm talking, he is the decision maker. He has planned for whatever terminology will change everything,
Understood,
right?
understood.
Based on he has budget. What is the time frame? Right. Based on these,
And you
these
can also
lead-
give your own scores. You can customize it and give
Absolutely,
your own
absolutely.
scores.
And then based on this lead quality will come, right? So tomorrow you can filter ki 5-star lead or 4-star lead, 2-star lead, and based on that you can make the priority. Now let's say you have entered the lead. Now what next? You will make a phone call and you will try to get more information. So you can. Should I enter it here?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Okay.
I mean, however
So-
you think.
Right.
But I have one question again
Yeah.
here in the middle. There is a customer.
Right.
Okay, the customer is Sabyasachi, and I have a task assigned for me that I
Right.
need to contact Sabyasachi today morning.
Right.
Today I need to contact him, or my sales guy has to call him.
Right.
Now, when my sales user opens that, the sales user gets automatically gets an alert, or he gets
Right.
some thing saying
Pop
that,
up.
or pop up, or either it could be pop up or it could be a when he opens his this thing, it will show these
Right.
are the. At the same time, it will be great if my customer Sabyasachi at the other end also gets a communication the day morning when he opens his mailbox.
Okay.
I'm not saying from Salesforce.
Right.
That look, Sangeeta from Elakshya is
Supposed to call you.
is supposed to call you today.
Okay, okay. Definitely that is possible, right? It's very well possible, but if you have to get enterprise edition for that, right? So as
It is
I'm
possible.
saying,
It
it
is
is
possible.
definitely possible.
I see. Okay.
Right. That is comes under workflow, right?
Correct, okay,
So
understood,
that is
understood,
possible.
understood.
Now let's say I made a phone call to you today, so I'll
Log a
I just
call.
log a call because it's a history. I'm calling under history,
Latest discussions, all earlier discussions, Sangeeta.
right?
Okay.
So I called and you said ki I'm busy now. Call me on
Control Z.
control set. Yeah.
Uh,
Now let's say I called you today. You said ki I'm busy today.
Correct.
Call me
Call
next
next
Monday.
Monday.
So from the same window you can create a follow-up task. Ki I have to call you next Monday. That is on 25th.
Understood. Understood.
25th, right? Call for meeting and I will save it.
Hmm.
I want to get a reminder. What time I want to get the reminder? If I want to get a notification mail, that also. I'll
What about
get.
reminder by SMS?
No, SMS also possible, but we have to get one plugin for that.
Achha, getting plugin for
Yeah.
it. Okay. And you'll have to buy those SMSs also then.
Yeah, you have to buy those SMSs. That plugin is free, but SMS for SMS you have to
You'll
pay.
have to buy it from SMS provider. Correct.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Now you can see here ki this is the meeting. I have already history. Now this is the open activity, right?
Show it with this instead of so that yeah.
Okay.
It's possible.
So yeah. So this is the open activities. Like what is the due date? What is the status? Status could be not started or in progress or completed. This thing. What is the priority? You can set the priority either very urgent or normal or low, right? Now again on this Monday you will get a notification. You will close it and it will come under history.
Super.
From the same instance you can send a HTML mail and you can set in number of templates. So as a salesperson, if I want to send a follow-up mail,
Correct.
no need to type mail all the time. I can have the email template. It will get a name, company name automatically with
Understood,
all your
understood,
company
understood,
logo
understood,
and
understood, understood.
right. More importantly, you can check here when you have sent the mail. When first time he opened the mail, how many times he has opened your mail? Last time when he opened your mail. It is not at all read receipt method. The number of times you will
It's
open,
analytics.
yeah.
It's
So
just,
the moment you click on the mail, it will trigger 1 time, 2 times, 5 times, 20 times. I have my customer who has reviewed my mail 43 times, right? So it gives me the interest level, right?
1 minute. I understand this, but
Yeah.
for example, there was in the previous thing you had mentioned that reminder notification mail you can send and all that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now point is those reminder notification mails also will come under my 500 quota. Everything.
No, not.
It's the mail now which goes.
Um,
So because my 500 quota, as you also rightly agreed, it's,
Right.
it's too low.
Too low, right?
So can
Here I can show you one more thing.
Hmm.
If you click here,
Hmm.
you can see here is one app exchange application.
Okay.
There are lot of almost 1200 applications available.
I see, okay.
Here.
Hmm.
One of the application is SMS application, email application, lot of project management applications.
Okay.
So based on your need, you can get applications from there. So here you will get must email application.
I see.
CRM is not a must
not a
email
mass
software,
email
right?
software.
So
Okay,
you can
understood,
get
understood.
and you can get that analytics here,
Understood.
right? So that is possible.
Understood.
Right.
Super. So we go into the analytics here. You are saying that number of times the customer is.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So you can send mail. Now
Mm.
let's say after all mail communication or let's say meeting,
Mm.
you feel this is a good customer.
Mm.
This could be one of the opportunity.
Mm.
So what you will do next? You will just click convert button here.
Mm.
Right
Mm.
here you will click the convert button,
Mm.
and it will create one opportunity and account for you.
I see.
Right,
Mm.
account is that person.
Opportunity will then become an account. First
Yeah.
it will become an opportunity, then it will become an account.
No, practically
Lead will get converted into opportunity.
Uh-huh.
Opportunity will then convert into an account.
No.
Uh.
Actually, Sabyasachi is the lead now.
Correct.
Right? Now, the moment I will convert rather, the moment I convert this lead, it
Mm.
will create one account, one opportunity. Now, I'll explain what is an account, what is an opportunity.
Mm.
Account is Sabyasachi then become an account.
Mhm.
Right,
Okay.
and now Sabyasachi is interested for Birla Sun Life
Mm.
insurance,
Mm.
interested for HDFC mutual funds,
Mm.
interested for some other product.
Mm.
All these three are your opportunities for
Mm.
Sabyasachi account.
Mm.
Right,
Mm.
it happens normally.
Mm.
You have multiple opportunity for a particular person.
Mm. Mm.
So similarly, you can track it here.
Mhm. Mm.
Right,
Mm.
now the moment you I'll just not entering data, I'll
Mm.
directly come to, if I click that convert button here,
Mm.
it will create account and opportunity. Now I'll directly come to the account page.
Mm.
These are different accounts. I'll just create I'll open the account view here.
Mhm.
Okay, now we say this is the 360-degree view of your customer.
Mm.
Account is nothing but your customer details, right?
Okay. Okay.
Now this is the customer name,
Mm.
right? What is the
Mm.
phone
Mm.
number,
Mm.
website, all
Mm.
details. What is the
Mm.
revenue you have generated till now from this particular customer?
What is the revenue from this customer?
Right.
Eleksha commission in sales. Okay. Have you column U or whatever? Reward rupees. All those. Mm.
Right,
Mm.
total sales you have done as of
Mm.
now.
Mm.
What is your commission, right?
Mm.
Okay, what is the customer ratings? It will, based on certain criteria, it will come automatically.
Mm.
Right, now his address details will come here.
Mm.
Account hierarchy not important for you, it is mainly for B2B scenario.
Okay. Mhm.
Now contacts is also may not be interested. Just explain, I'll explain you. Suppose if it is a B2B scenario,
Then you need to be in contact with a
right,
few people in the
right,
organization.
right. But in case, in your case, it
No,
is
it's
not.
okay. It's okay. Please explain. I mean, I'll be quite
Right.
keen to.
So probably it is not really important.
Because
But
normally the contact will be the spouse.
right, right. So if you want to track their spouse, family members, you can maintain n number of contacts under that particular person.
Okay.
Right,
Understood.
account.
Understood. Under that account.
Now
Okay.
these are the different opportunities,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Maybe life insurance, maybe general insurance, maybe mutual funds. And what is the stage? Like somewhere you have closed lost, he has purchased something from somebody else. Somewhere you have owned something, it is prospecting, you're just talking to them to understand.
So
right.
for the month, for example, this closed one.
Right.
For the month, I
Mhm.
can get the entire cumulative sum of the closed one of a particular sales guy. Supposing I want to know how
Yeah,
much
so
of
that
sales guy has done.
that is actually you are talking about a report ki for this particular sales guy what
For the
are
month,
the
what are
sales.
the closed ones?
Yeah, that is I'll come
Okay,
to the
that's- it's
report.
possible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%. That is analytics is the one of the USP of Salesforce, right? So these are the different opportunities. Now let's say he called you for different problem and you. So
Cases.
these are the different cases for your customer called you, and you have assigned that particular case to your service executive.
I see.
And
I see.
what is the priority of this case?
Of this
What is
case.
the status? It's a
Status.
new. What is it's closed? It's you have diverted to the OEM. So
Understood,
in that
understood,
way you
understood,
can. And who is the owner for this? Right.
Understood.
Now, if you have any contracts document for this particular person, let's say that insurance paper or something, you can maintain it here.
But
right?
the documents also you can maintain here.
Yeah, definitely.
Which means I need to upload the document and keep it.
Yeah. If you want, you can just soft copy. You can attach it here, right?
Okay, that is okay. Supposing Supposing
Mhm.
attach it here, the customer also wants to see a copy of the insurance, for example.
Okay. So
Will the customer be able to see this?
this, yes.
Not this. I'm saying that particular. Let's say I do a insurance for Sabyasachi.
Okay.
A health insurance I do for Sabyasachi.
I have one copy of my insurance paper, right?
No, supposing I want it in the cloud for Sabyasachi
Okay.
to see.
Yeah. So there is a concept called customer portal. So
I
the
see.
moment you are a customer
But
of a
that again
bank,
has to be bought. You have to buy that.
yeah.
Okay.
So
understood.
it is like, you know, there are two ways. You can buy the logins,
Mhm.
right?
Understood.
In a particular month, you are buying 1 lakh login. So irrespective of number of customer,
Understood.
that login.
Understood.
Otherwise, you can buy the n number of login, but for this particular customer.
Understood. Understood. Fine.
So
Okay.
that customer portal is definitely
Okay. Sure.
there.
Sure.
Now these are the open activities you
Mm.
have planned for this particular customer,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
And what is the status? Who is the person, right? Now these are the activity history you have already done for this particular customer, and these are the sales guys who has interacted. Maybe you have sent mails or whatever, that all. This is, you can see, it is the, you can attach different Google Docs note attachments from here.
Understood.
Right. So you can
Small
see
question.
that, yeah,
Small question. And this is quite relevant. I mean, Salesforce has been around for how long?
for last 11 years.
Last 11 years. Okay. Google has also been around for a
Right.
similar period of time. Maybe the biggest worry for us, and perhaps it. What if Google shuts down?
Google search down.
Yeah.
Okay.
What if, because if supposing we put all our documents into Google Docs, all our data here,
Okay.
And we use, let's say, Google Docs.
Right,
Okay,
right.
we're talking about Salesforce later.
Right.
First, I will talk about Google.
Okay.
All our PDFs, contracts. That is the most important thing.
Right.
What if Google
So-
closes?
Okay. So you know, first of all, when you are a customer for Google apps, now actually just for your information purpose, it's under process. We will be a partner for Google very recently, maybe within a month's time, 30 days time.
Who will be a partner for Google?
E-people.
So you'll be a partner for Google
Google.
Apps. Really?
Google apps, yeah. So we'll sell and
Tata
we'll,
Communications.
Huh? Yeah.
Similar to Tata Communications is
Tata, yeah. So
uh,
we'll sell Google applications and we'll implement also.
So therefore, in this
Now-
case, the question
Yeah.
is being addressed from us to e-people. Salesforce, for a second, keep Salesforce on one side.
Okay.
What if Google closes
Right.
down? Yeah?
So you know, I'm not very sure the terms condition Google has, but I can tell you about Salesforce. I believe it is very similar in case of Google also.
Okay.
Now, the moment you sign up with Salesforce, you sign up a contract with Salesforce, stating ki if you don't want to continue with Salesforce anymore, you will get all your data backup in Excel and CSV format. Number
see.
one,
Okay.
right? Now they have the highest level of security data backup.
fine.
all
Data
this.
all this
So
fine.
before
You'll get the
closing
data
down
back.
the business, they will definitely give your data back to you. So no problem at all. And you understood one thing: US Federal, Symantec, security company, Japan Post, similar kind of entity in Japan like
Use
LIC
Salesforce.
today.
Okay.
Bajaj Alliance, City Financials.
They use Google Salesforce.
Right.
What about Google Apps? What is your What is your
Actually,
view? Do you think Google will close down?
Absolutely not. Absolutely. And then they have a huge, even one better part of Google, you know, is Salesforce has a limited shutdown period for maintenance. When every quarter or every 6 months, on the midnight of Sunday or Saturday midnight, with prior notice, they shut down their server for 1 or 2 hours. Then they restart again. In case of Google, there is no shutdown time. It's practically it's zero. They do never shut down their server, right? So it's much better.
So you're
in
confident about Google's future?
100%, 100%.
I see.
Right.
Carry on.
So these are the history, right? Now I'll come back to the opportunity. Let's say now you are interested to know ki what is happening. I have 10 opportunities for Sabyasachi. What is happening there? Right now I'll click on any of the opportunity here. it will give you the complete details of the opportunity. Whatever.
All earlier discussions. Sangeeta
No.
ma'am.
Now
Hmm.
this I will discuss you sometimes later,
Hmm.
right? I'm just leaving it for the time being.
Mhm.
That is called chatter,
Hmm.
right? That is extremely good.
Hmm.
So you can see what is the opportunity, maybe HDFC insurance or mutual fund, right? What is the value of this particular opportunity for you, expected close date, what is the stage,
Sorry,
right?
one
Yeah.
small thing which I have not
Mhm.
mentioned. While retailing of financial products is one business we do.
Okay.
It accounts for only 30% of our total revenues.
Okay.
70% I said is on something called recruitment for the industry.
Okay.
We are into, I think I
Right,
mentioned
right.
right in the
Yeah.
beginning. So maybe you can also, so we are
Okay.
like a recruitment consultant.
Okay.
You know how a consultant
Yeah,
works.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
just like
Actually,
a Naukri
just
or
for
a,
your information purpose, in ePeople we have 4 division. What is Ramco, ERP,
Mhm.
Salesforce CRM,
Mhm.
eLife, that is complete payroll processing, HR
Mhm.
related stuff.
Mhm.
Another is recruitment.
I see. So
Right.
people does recruitment services.
Yeah, and
So does your recruitment wing
use Salesforce.
Salesforce.com?
Yes,
They do. I
yes.
see.
And I'll tell
Very
you,
happy to.
yeah, I'll tell you what for what purpose they use it.
Mm.
You know, in a recruitment business, we have 2 3 sales guys. Their target is every time they search for new clients, right? So they go visit the customer, they discuss and service, and they sign up a contract ki for any new recruitment you will come to us or we'll give you the service. So that complete sales process they map it here.
I
But
see.
then moment they receive the inquiry ki I have 5 Java developer, that part we are not tracking in Salesforce. That part, for that we have separate software, but we are planning to move the entire thing in Salesforce, because in that case in a single application you will get to know ki suppose PwC is one of my customer, what business I have done for PwC as of now, how many guys I have supplied till date, and what was the commission I have
Understood.
right.
Understood.
Now let's say opportunity. Sabyasachi become an opportunity now. Now you have done your need analysis. What product I have to give? So you will do a need analysis, right? And based on that you will. So let's say you have done need analysis. So the probability of winning this is 20%. Let's say,
Okay,
and
okay.
you have to define the percentage.
I see.
Now
Okay.
after that you have given the proposal for a particular. So you will change the stage, right?
Okay.
And let's say I click OK.
Oh, automatically 75 comes, is it?
Yeah, but so
Okay.
based on your experience,
I understood,
you
understood.
will design
I
it.
see.
Right now, for this particular opportunity, you can see it is now. Then what happened? Then Sabyasachi took a decision ki no, I'll not go with Eleksha, I'll go with somebody else. So you put closed lost. Again, it becomes 0. Or I have chosen Eleksha, so it will close on. You will close it. It is you become a customer or you own that opportunity. Right. Now based on these funnel like prospecting, need analysis, proposal, it gives a funnel, right? I'll come to dashboard part once my opportunity part is over, right? Now again the similar thing like what all means activities you have done, what all products you are selling to him, all will come. Even if you want, we can create a quotation from Salesforce, we can create a PDF of the sale from here and we can send it to them, right? Now what are the quotes you have sent, different version of quotation will come here, what is the discount you have given.
Understood.
All will come here,
Understood.
right? What all open activities is same thing will come here, right? Now I will come back to, so this is actually opportunity management. Now I will come back to dashboard. This is the products, so we can configure all your products in Salesforce in different category, different masters like insurance, mutual fund, all these category. Under this category, these are the OEMs. Under this OEM, all we can do, and you can create product. Now I'll come to the dashboard. Dashboard, all reports in Salesforce are dashboard driven.
I see.
So the any dashboard if you want, you will get it in a
The
dashboard
reports, okay.
format, right? Any reports.
This is sheet D. In a .electcha file, sheet D or sheet E. எல்லாமே அப்படியே ப்ளூ கலர்ல எல்லாமே வரும் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Have you seen? Remember, I think sheet D or sheet E. Sheet D is donkey, or sheet C is donkey. No, sheet D is donkey. Sheet E, I think, is the one where you get complete information in blue color. Have you seen that? That's what it is. Huh?
Now we have dashboard for all different users. If I'm a sales executive, my dashboard will be different. If I'm a manager, my dashboard will be different. If I'm a CEO, my dashboard will be different.
Right,
This is a
right,
let's say
understood.
sample sales executive.
Understood, okay. Huh.
Pipeline by product family. I have different products. What is my pipeline for products? I have 5-6 sales guys. What are the opportunity they have in their funnel? What is the largest amount of opportunity? All these stuff.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
These are the biggest open deal, for
Understood,
right.
understood.
These are the neglected accounts. You have identified some company or some customer, but your sales guys has not done enough follow up for these many days. You have to specify, let's say 20 days. More than 20 days, it should appear in the neglected accounts. It will come here.
I see.
Now, based on that, immediately your manager means that sales guy manager make a phone call to him, ki, boss, why you have not followed up? So what will happen? They will follow up properly, and you will get better business, because you lose some business because of lack of follow up, right?
The worry here is
Mhm.
neglected accounts. I mean, if you're talking about a B2B scenario, this is great.
Right.
In a B2C scenario, the neglected accounts will run into thousands.
Right.
So will those thousands? I mean, for example, if Venkat is seeing this, the neglected accounts will be that huge.
Huge.
list.
So you know, we can create different groups.
I see.
As you have a manager, in manager level, probably you know, you have to tell us ki either this report is important for your MD or not. Maybe it's important for the manager level.
Understood.
For
understood,
MD is something
understood,
different,
understood,
right?
understood.
Now these are the stalled opportunities. I have given my proposal and they will take decision, and it's in the same stage for 90 days, right? Now these are the top 5 representative for this quarter. And one thing is, these all dashboard is coming, whatever every day you are putting some data, like you are changing the opportunity.
Correct.
From opportunity value you are changing, it is taking there and it is creating own reports, right? Lost deal by competitor. So you can track your competitor who is doing well in the market, who is giving you maximum competition. Average opportunity age by representative, right? So these are the sample. Now I'll come to other dashboard. Let's say,
Yeah, sure.
let's say CEO dashboard. Okay. As a CEO of the organization, probably he is interested to understand marketing success. I have invested my money on email, online banner or ad campaign or Google marketing, telemarketing. What is my ROI, right? What is my organization wide sales funnel? What is my customer satisfaction matrix? So you can do an online survey to your customer. You just send a link, they will click on the link, they will give some and based on their feedback, this customer satisfaction. Yeah, right. Now lead by source, right? In that way you will get a customer with most open cases, right? Biggest open deal as an organization wide, all this stuff will come. Now if I click on any of the dashboard here, it will take you to a brief level of reports,
I
right?
see.
So this is the brief level. Sorry, what is my prospecting? This was my funnel report, my proposal, negotiation, closed on. Now let's say if I want to know about a particular stage, I'll click here and I'll click drill down. It will give me the detail of that particular negotiation stage.
I see.
But if I want to know about the complete details, I will just click on the show details. The same report I'll get in a complete detailed manner like this. And what column you want, what all extra field you want in this particular report, all will be customized, right? Now the same report I want in different format. let's say the same report I want for this current financial year
Mm.
or current quarter, or let's say for this month, last week, this week, yesterday to today, the same report can be given in thousand of manner. So you are not investing your time for different report generation. Right. So that is another thing. Now if you ask me, this is almost I have done. I will show you two more things.
Sure.
One is the content. What is content? Content is your content library where you can upload all your brochure,
Presentation,
product
brochures,
information,
materials.
everything. Now let's say a customer ask you to
Internal
send.
notice board.
Yeah, it's
Mm.
library,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Now let's say customer is asking ki, okay, give me the some ICICI Protect details, right? Instead of attaching that product information in mail and sending it, you just from here you can upload it here. It will create one link, and you can just mail that link, and you can track how many times he has reviewed your mail,
Correct.
how many times he has clicked on this particular presentation,
Understood.
right? And then you can specify either he can download that particular document or not. When you want that link to get expand, all you can specify here, right? And they can access it from anywhere in the world. That is one very good feature. Another is forecast. Forecast is like what is the target for a particular sales guy. Where is that forecast? Yeah, what is the target for the sales guy, what is the he has achieved as of now, what is the commit for this particular quarter, what is the best cases, what are the pipeline for him. So complete, so it is available for the sales guy also, so you can monitor him ki how he is performing.
I see.
Now
Forecast, huh.
now I'll tell you, if you go for any CRM, right, CRM, this is the job of CRM. So maybe Salesforce is definitely give you better feature, but one problem you will face after implementing CRM, ki your sales guys will not enter data. It's very common, right?
Right.
That also Salesforce understand. This is the practical
So
problem.
salespeople do not enter in T's. Sankita will not enter in T's. So how do we solve that? Is what they're going to explain.
Right,
Go
right.
ahead. Huh.
So what we have a dashboard called adoption dashboard.
Okay.
Adoption dashboard will tell you who has not entered, updated his information for last 2 days, 1 day as per organization need, who has not generated any lead for last
This is nothing but status 1, status 2, status 3, status 4, status 5, status 6, status 7, status 8, status 9, status 10. Who has done something, who has not done something. Filter. Now we're coming. Very good.
So it will give you the complete adoption dashboard. Now based on the adoption dashboard, you know you have 100 sales guys.
I think sorry, into 1, into, not status 1, into 1, into, in 3, in 4, in 5.
Right. So this is the adoption dashboard, adoption quality, right? So it will tell you ki how many sales guy has not generated any lead for X number of days, not converted any lead to opportunity, not updated not created any activity. These all will come. What is the login time? All details will come here.
I see.
And based on that, you can now what we have done. We have one customer called Ashirvad Pipe. First, what they have done, they given a incentive. If you update your information, you will get a incentive based on your adoption. Adoption was very low. Then they were very hard. If you don't enter your data within 3 days of time of that particular activity, it will take some action. Nothing happened. Then what they have done, every day you have to enter the data, and there is no provision for backlog entry, and if you don't enter data that day, you are on leave.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Right.
Understood.
Now their adoption is 97%.
Correct. Understood.
So this is, and they have total 125 sales guys
So
across.
it's like attendance.
And another company, UL Management.
In our organization, there is a beautiful thing, Whether people do any work or not, attendance is something which they will do in the morning and evening, including me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
it starts with me.
yeah.
I do it first.
Another thing is कि another company what they have done कि you are showing कि I have you put your conveyance statement every month, right? Now they linked that Salesforce with their conveyance statement. If you're going for any meeting, you will update there, and they have created one conveyance form here.
Understood.
It both should sync, and then only your conveyance will.
Will
So
get
there are
correct,
different
correct.
methodology they have adopted, but we can create those all stuff.
I see.
Right.
I see.
So
Who will
this
create all those stuff?
will create.
You people will create.
Yeah.
And obviously you'll charge for those each of
Yeah,
those
yeah.
okay, customizations.
Right.
Understood. Okay.
Now I will explain you the Chatter now.
Yeah.
Chatter is similar like the Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
The founder of Facebook, some Mark somebody.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Zuckerberg.
Mm.
He is one of the director of Salesforce.
Okay.
One of the director.
Okay.
Now it is similar like your Facebook. How does it helps really? Now let's say I'm a
Sangeeta is very this thing on active on Facebook.
Right. Now it is not at all means it's a organization chatting platform. But the best part is कि let's say I'm a sales manager. I have team of 20 guys. Now it is very difficult for me to go to every account what my 20 sales guys has done, where they have changed the opportunity status from need analysis to proposal to negotiation. Very difficult. Whenever you perform any activity here, like you create any lead, you create any contact, you change the opportunity status, you change the value of the opportunity, you perform anything, automatically it get posted on the Chatter. So as a manager, if I just look into the Chatter, I get to know what my sales guys are doing.
Understood.
So somebody has changed the opportunity, so you can track it because you somewhere you know the name of that your opportunity or accounts, right? So you know that this is happening. Somebody has changed from proposal to negotiation to close. You know we own that opportunity, sitting anywhere in the world, and MD also can see you. Okay, these are, and now you can follow certain people here. Let's say as an MD, he wants to follow only the sales managers.
Correct.
So whatever sales manager will perform, MD will get the post of only those sales guys, sales manager. Now similarly, you can follow certain opportunity or certain contacts, or now all will come like this, and now you can create your internal group.
Does this also link to, supposing I got X number of customers and obviously a lot of customers of mine have Facebook.
Right.
Does your accounts thing also link to their Facebook accounts? Is there any possibility?
Not their Facebook, but Salesforce is linked with all social media, like LinkedIn, like Facebook, like Google. Now Nokia, what they have done, or let's say Kingfisher, what they have done. Let's say Kingfisher has launched one new brand, this thing. Let's say beer, right? Now somebody posted some comment on Facebook. I really didn't like it, right? Now they are tagging based on the keywords they are getting that feedback, and there is a team they follow, they send feedback. Now let's say you are a user of Nokia, you have some problem, you go to Google and you search for the driver, you get some community from where you can download. That all community is managing by Nokia through Salesforce CRM.
I see.
Nokia is big time
user of Salesforce.
right? And ultimately what they are doing, they are supporting the customer. Now as per Nokia statistics, 40% customer really make phone calls to their customer care, yet 60% search application in Google and somewhere else. So they are trying to satisfy the customer through different ways.
Understood.
So it's a huge world. Whatever I have discussed, there I can go on for explaining all this stuff. So it is really very helpful. Now it is as per your need. We can configure, but you can see most of the thing as per your need only. Probably we need to change some of the nomenclature, some of the stages. We have to do little bit customization. Training is very important. We have to give you proper training.
How many days of training do you envisage for the sales
Normally
guys?
2-3 days.
3 days training.
Maximum.
Okay, I see. Okay. 3 days full time.
Full time.
Mhm.
Normally it happens one
And you
day
will
full
do the,
time.
somebody from your side.
Yeah, we
will
have
do
a
the
complete
training.
consulting team. They will come
Okay.
and demonstrate.
Consulting,
Yeah.
okay, and do the training.
Right,
Mhm.
right.
So for that, how many licenses do we need to necessarily buy?
And
For
Nessus,
training?
you can start with one user license,
Uh-huh.
but you have to take a call. Ki how many number of licenses you want to start with?
Understood.
So
Okay,
probably you can start with your Bangalore team. You check what is the adoption.
Understood.
You
Okay.
check if you are getting really some good benefit out of
Correct,
this
correct,
CRM, or
correct,
it
correct.
is same before
Mhm.
CRM and after implementing CRM, then no need to invest on that.
Mhm.
We are super confident that if you implement CRM and if you drive the
Implementation is the
adoption,
key. Implementation, adoption is the
yeah,
key.
and adoption is the key. Implementation of CRM is not that tough like any
Mm.
other ERP, but adoption is the key. If you go for best practices, if you drive the adoption, you will get the result. And that's why Salesforce believe on one principle: seed and grow. We don't sell big. We will not ask you to go for 100 user license. We will rather ask you for 5 user
So
license.
you can even buy 10 user licenses and adapt
right.
it first.
Right.
So
right.
one user license is per year $100.
Now there are professional edition, enterprise.
Mhm.
There are majorly two edition
Mhm.
for you. One is
Mhm.
professional, one is enterprise.
Mhm.
Professional edition would cost you in Indian currency 35,000 per user per year.
35,000 per user per year.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
the least price.
Okay, for the professional edition.
Professional.
Mhm.
For enterprise edition, it is something 69,000 per user per year.
I see.
Almost double.
I see. Understood.
Right.
Understood.
So these are the
Now,
two options you have.
What about SMS integration? Is
Right.
there any?
Now there are app exchange
Mhm.
application.
Mhm.
You can see ki how many applications are here. 50% of the applications are free, almost 50%.
Mhm.
Some of them are, you can see
For
here.
example, which are the best used applications?
Yeah,
Main
that
used?
also you will get like most popular
Outlook integration,
application.
okay, email integration, Outlook integration, Power
Right.
Dialer. This will directly you
Ah.
connect it to a phone, it will call.
Right, right.
Okay.
Right. So
What is
there-
Conga Composer?
I don't know. There are here n number of. So you have to go through, and better you search as per your need. What application you need, right? SMS application, mass email application, what application you need, you search it here, you will get it, right? Now there are lot of free apps here. You can see.
I
You can see what are free apps, right? Free apps here, right? And you can check the reviews there. And you can see ki how many already installed and counting. 8,35,000 application already people have downloaded and they are
Installed,
using.
okay.
Even internally, e-people also has downloaded some project management application. Right? And if you click on apps, it will tell you 1150 applications as of now available on App Exchange, right? So you can, it's a public website, anytime you can visit it. And now I'll show you one more website, right? So this is done, right? I'll show you one more website that is called trust.salesforce.com. What happened?
It will come.
Oh.
There will be latency because of the recording.
This is also a public website where you can check the status of your server as of now. If I come back here, you can see it is coming from NA1, right? Now I'll check what is my NA1, North America 1 server. North America 1 server. As of now, current status, right? Instance available, all. And you can go back to history, what has happened earlier,
Understood.
when there was a problem, all this stuff.
I see.
Right. Now on the same page you can see ki what is the transaction, number of transaction happening as of now, this number of transactions, what is the average speed, you can check, it's on milliseconds, right? So they commit for 300, less than 300 milliseconds, right? Now the same website you can go to security and you can check like what kind of security measures they have, like your data access control, right, environment control, power, network, security, network protection, disaster recovery, backups. Now I'll tell you the maximum revenue Salesforce generate from Japan.
From Japan.
From Japan.
Mhm.
Now, for this, because of disaster,
Mm.
they have not lost any of their data.
Mm.
Whosoever was the Salesforce user, because it is either on Singapore or Canada or somewhere in America.
Understood. Okay.
So kind of security we are talking about, it's much higher than that. Very recently, RBI has released one guideline for all financial institutions. If they are going for cloud computing, they have to maintain certain rules. Now, actually, where RBI is talking about 4, Salesforce is at 20 or 100. It is means highest level, because when US federal, that US government data they are storing on Salesforce. So before giving the contract to Salesforce, definitely they have measured all security concerns. Semantic security company, they are also using it. So being a security company, when they are trusting on Salesforce, you understand, like kind of security, data backup, disaster recovery, even there is some problem on that particular server, you will not, as a customer, you will not feel the difference, because they have somewhere is the backup, from there you will get the service. So
What is this workspaces? You've shown me workspace on the right. Workspaces.
No, there are a lot of tabs you can create here. I have never. This is the workspace. Google Doc.
Add Google Doc, contribute, create new. Okay. So
So
this one we have been, we went through this
Okay.
presentation. We went through workspaces.
Right.
So
So there are many things you can do, and what I told you before starting of the
there is
presentation.
also training videos and all available online.
Yeah. It's online training, video, everything is available. Even for every page there is a training available.
Understood. Okay.
Right. So as an user, they can visit and they can.
What is this options?
Where?
This is upar.
Oh, actually, you can search it from anything here. Let's say you are searching any of your customer name. So where, I don't know where it's under opportunity, account, lead, I don't know. You just type it here, it will give you complete search.
Okay, understood.
So sometimes what happens ki before making you a phone call, I don't want to go into account election. I just type Satish. Right, it gives me 5 Satish with company election, XYZ company all.
Understood.
I just select it and I get your numbers from there. So it's very fast. And then it has, another thing is, whenever you are going for any application, it has to be user friendly. If it is not user friendly, maybe it's a great application, your user adoption will be less.
Correct.
Your user will not enter data, ultimate objective you will not meet.
Correct.
So this Salesforce CRM, when we come for the implementation, we give maximum drop down or check box or multiple selection, all this we give.
Instead of somebody entering the data, using the drop down is much better. Correct.
Because then it's all standard and you can
remember that, Sangeeta. Instead of entering the data, using drop down is that much better. Only then adaptation will
Right.
Correct.
So let's say product interest, you give a drop down of all product.
Good point. Very good point.
And then based on, it's very easy to create reports, because sometimes I'm entering Bangalore. Let's say you want to create a region based report. Now I'm entering Bangalore, somebody Bangalore, somebody spelling mistake of Bangalore, right?
Correct.
No, you will not get one view if you want to go for
You're right, absolutely.
So in that way, during our implementation, we helps customer for proper implementation. We give all best practices, and really helps.
I see. Very interesting. Okay, this is interesting.
Right. So
who are your competitors?
Competitors is as far as market share is concerned, 49% across the globe of CRM market is with Salesforce.
Okay.
Nearest competitor with 11% with Microsoft.
So Microsoft CRM.
Microsoft CRM.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then Oracle CRM, Siebel is no more really competing, right? So
SIEBEL, Siebel.
Siebel, yeah. It's for huge actually.
What about lower Indian companies? For example, Impel CRM, we had.
Impel CRM, right? They are also having some market share. But problem is the kind of flexibility, kind of things you are getting here.
Have you heard of a company called MyToken?
MyToken, no.
Okay, go ahead.
It's also a CRM company.
Yeah, that's what I'm told.
Actually, there are plenty of CRM, because what is a CRM? You create lead, you
Do
convert
you call it
opportunity.
CRM or do you call this Salesforce management?
No, it's a CRM.
CRM.
And it's far more than CRM. Actually, I'll tell you if you
Talisma. Have you heard of Talisma?
Talisma. Actually, we don't consider Talisma is one of the big player, but we don't consider Talisma. Talisma has developed one application. They have hosted their application on App Exchange of Salesforce CRM.
I see.
Now Salesforce practically helping Talisma to sell their application. That 1150 application you can see, it is not developed by Salesforce.
Understood.
It is different partner,
developers, okay.
right? They have developed, and now you can go online, you can buy it. Revenue goes to that company.
Correct.
Slightly to Salesforce.
Correct.
Talisma has hosted their application.
I see. Understood.
Right. Now, problem with Talisma or any other company is that they don't have that financial backup to develop. Today, every year, Salesforce comes with 3 release, major release. Right, and you for that there is no shutdown, nothing.
Understood.
Automatically will get new release here, right? Now, every time we have a research and development team, they are coming with new features like Chatter, and so many new features they are coming up. That facility you will not get if you go for any small.
Okay, now how do you integrate this with ERP? What is? I mean, you said that you have experience in ERP as well.
Right.
What does ERP do?
ERP is a enterprise resource planning software.
Correct.
Right. Now, in your case, how ERP can help you, right? So, your sales and marketing part can be taken care by this Salesforce CRM. Now you are getting some revenue from there. Now you have a accounting system, let's say Tally. What accounting system you have? Excel. Okay. Now you can go for that accounting part will be taken care by ERP system. Now ERP system they will take care of your statutory requirements, everything they will submit to, means all standard reports you will get it from there. So you purchase something, right? You purchase your consumable computers, all purchase track you can maintain there. But basically ERP is basically for the manufacturing company and trading organization.
Okay. How does it help in manufacturing and trading organizations and Ramco? HR ERP. Ramco has got some HR.
HR is one of the module. ERP has got multiple modules. It starts from finance, then purchase, then your inventory, your HR, all integrated. Now let's say if it is a manufacturing company, I have received some sales order, right? Now based on the sales order, what I'll do, I'll check my inventory, either that particular product is available or not, and then I will deliver. If it is not available, then I have to intimate my production team, boss, this is my sales order, this is the delivery date I need to dispatch, right? Based on the delivery date, they will do their production planning. All they are doing in ERP. Production planning. Based on the production planning, they will check what is the material required, right? Based on the material required, they'll check their inventory, either material is available in inventory or not. Something is available, something not available. Based on that software will run the MRP, material requirements planning, and it will tell you ki these many things you have to purchase. Based on the recommendation, it will create purchase order. It will float a RFP to your vendor. You will get quote. ERP will do the quote comparison. It will tell you ki based on this comparison, based on lead time, based on quality, based on certain parameters, these are the preferred vendors. Now you placed order. Now based on the order, you get the actual goods, right? Then you can tally ki I have placed order for this, I have received this. Now during your receive, you find something not as per the quality, you reject. Then again you supposed to get back, right? all these tracking is
Take a call
possible.
if it's okay.
It's huge actually. It's so you know.
So
we-
ERP as such, you said Microsoft Dynamics you do.
Not
Uh,
we do. I used to sell Microsoft ERP earlier. Now
Okay.
we are a partner of Ramco ERP.
Ramco ERP. An ERP implementation would be a 3 or a 6 month process. It's a
Or
fairly
minimum
long,
3 to 4 months minimum.
so it's a fairly
Even
work-intensive
more than
kind of
that,
I
yeah,
see,
yeah.
I see, I see, I see. Mhm.
So
And ERP is fairly costly also.
no doubt.
I see.
But
So enterprise
Ramco
is
ERP
fairly-
is not that costly. Ramco ERP some 6 user pack per month, maybe 24,000 list price. Maybe they will come down
24,000 per year,
per month.
per month.
Yeah.
That is all
Yeah.
for 6 users.
For 6 users.
Achha?
And that will come down definitely based on the negotiation.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So that is also you can, and
Mhm.
no investment on your hardware server.
Everything again on the cloud.
Yeah, everything is on cloud.
I see. I see.
No
I see.
data backup, disaster recovery,
Mhm,
nothing.
mhm,
So that is another good part.
I see. I see. I see. So competitors of Salesforce, you said you mentioned about you gave some
Actually,
yarn on
I am
ERP.
still my way of Salesforce certification,
Mm.
but I am a Microsoft certified consultant. I have done Microsoft CRM certification
I
because
see.
earlier I was Microsoft with
Correct,
Microsoft
correct,
partner,
correct.
and I was very keen on MS CRM. I did my certification. So when I moved from Microsoft to Salesforce, I was really surprised. I never thought that Salesforce would be that much advanced than MS CRM. The one slight problem with Microsoft is, let's say you are talking about a particular client, you will get client details in one window. Now I want to know what all opportunities, what all products I'm supposed to sell to that client. You have to go to some other window. So it will be multiple window to
I
track
see, I
info.
see.
But in case of Salesforce, if you go to account view, complete details, address information, contact information, product information, activity history, open activities, proposal, quotes, invoice, everything in a single page. So
I
that
see.
is one of the USP. And then kind of Apex in application we have. Microsoft will take at least 10 years to reach there.
It's there. I see. Okay. Understood.
So this is now. Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
So if you means now it is up to you. If you feel that if you have a specific requirement, if you come back to us, right? What do we tell ki don't think about Salesforce CRM. You just tell me.
Our worry, Sabyasachi, is we would obviously need a lot of customization and time spent on that.
Right.
Now, I have a feeling, I mean, that's internal to me, that if we buy it only for, let's say, 5 users or 10 users or whatever, it perhaps makes less sense than doing it for 50-60 people together because of a few things. I'll tell you why. Number one, I need to block all the people's time for training. Okay, I would want adaptation across the board.
Right.
I do not want to go through the same painful cycle again here. पहले अभी 10 लोग को कर दिया, 10 लोग use कर रहे हैं, उसका बाद I will again have to go to another. Once I do it for my Bangalore office, let's say for 10 people, I'll have to go through the same rigmarole for those. I'm convinced about Salesforce. That is one part. The other part is, along with adaptation, I will also want your help in customization.
Right.
So if for me, it is only the same fixed time. Whether I customize it along with for 10 people or whether I customize it for 50 people, or 80 people, will be the same thing. So if I'm buying, I would rather want to buy it for a larger number of people than a smaller number of people.
Okay.
So,
actually, just now I can show you how easy it is to customize. You cannot even imagine how easy it is. Like it is just actually I can show you right now. Login.salesforce.com. I'll come to my demo page. Actually, that was demo instance. I can't do it.
Sure.
So Bushaji @
Cloud computing event of the year.
demo.com. What is my password? Actually, I don't use this. It is my this thing for just for my, I show it to my different customer ki how to do configuration. Okay, now it will send a mail to my mailbox because this computer is not, so it is on my Gmail, I believe. Gmail.
Interesting. I was thinking of how you can use this.
Yeah, so I'll show you like how easy it is to customize. You will surprised to see. That is why I told you.
Will Kunjida Sangeeta? Sangeeta ma'am. What Salesforce.com does? I see.
No.
ICICI Prudential Life Insurance.
Yeah, I got a policy for that ICICI iProtect. Then where it gone?
Doesn't matter. It's okay. No problem.
So no, I'll do one thing. One day I'll show you from my office. Like I'll log on to. Oh, I can show you from my system actually. If you want to see.
No, that's okay. What
Okay.
is the?
Actually, you know, you cannot even imagine like how
easy
easy
to
it
customize
is.
it, okay, understood.
It is like, you know, I want another. Let's say in lead page, I want to rename something. You just tell me what you want. You want, let's say, one peak list.
Understood.
You want a list of products, pick list, drop down. So you have to choose, I want a drop down field. You will choose drop down. Now what all drop down will come? You will write all the products name there.
Correct.
Now it will ask you what should be the by default product name. You use something, right? And then it will ask you, you want to show alphabetically? You will say yes. Okay. Now drop down list appear. On the fly, it's on the fly. You just refresh it, it will come here. Let's say you want to get a email that you send. I want to send an email to my customer. Now you have to pick that activity window. You will choose activity window. I want to add one new field. What field? Email field. Email. Okay. Then which entity? You say customer entity, right? And then it will just refresh. It will get created.
I see.
It's so easy. It's you won't believe. So that is the power. That is why I told you before starting the presentation. Just for your case, I can just run the entire process and I can build the application for you without doing any coding here. I am a salesperson. I don't know what is coding, right? But I can build applications. So you can understand who are the Salesforce certified consultants sitting in my consulting team. They can do wonder practically. Here is in Indranagar there is a company called Ayurved Hospital. You know Ayurved Hospital? That CEO of the Ayurved Hospital used to be some senior management in Motorola called Rajiv Vasudevan. So they are very interested for Salesforce CRM. They want it for hospital management. Now it is nowhere close to lead opportunity. They want patient treatment, doctor allocation, all these stuff. We have done complete stuff for them on Force.com.
I see.
Right. So
the same thing I can customize also for my recruitment services.
Yes, and we have done it for our recruitment. If you want, I can demonstrate my recruitment process to you, right? So that is definitely possible. Now what happened? If you want that, you need to buy the enterprise edition. Professional edition will not work. Why? Because under the same company you have two different divisions, right? Two different divisions, sales process is different.
Oh, I see. Okay.
For two different division, that screen will be different, nomenclature will be different. That's why based on the user login we have to create two separate sales process. That is why you need enterprise edition. But if it is only one type of company, then P is okay. Professional edition is okay.
Understood.
So now actually what I want from you, you just